love rain down on me. Can you see? Can you see dancing with no shirt? Is it? All right, today I'm checking out Eric Clapton. I'm listening to the song Let It Rain. Let's get into it.
Harder said than done. Let it rain, let it rain. Let your love rain down on me. Let it rain, let it rain. Let it rain, rain, rain. Surely give it back. Let it rain, let it rain. Let your love rain down on me. Let it rain, let it rain. Let it rain, rain, rain. Let it rain, let it rain. Let your love rain down on me. Let it rain, let it rain. Let it rain, rain, rain.
Man, if this wasn't just such a nice, mature song, you know what I mean? A classy song, I would totally just take my shirt off and dance all around the room slowly, rubbing my chest hair and stuff. That's what I'd be doing. I wouldn't do that to Eric Clapton, though. He's too respectable. The song is too respectable. It's nice. It's a nice, classy love song. Let it rain, your love rain down on me. Can you see? Can you see dancing with no shirt? It's just the strength of the Rain lyrics with my stripper alter ego Black Rain. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect for that, but the song's too nice. I respect it. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that at all. It's just nice. Nice, pleasant sounding love song. I can't wait to see if we get another little solo. The first solo, pretty chill. I want to see if he lets it rip. If we get solo where he lets the guitar rip.
Rain, rain.
Yeah, he was cooking. He was cooking that last instrumental section. That just had a certain feel to it. It felt like I was being like ping pong. You know what I'm saying? Just like ping pong back and forth or something. So he'd be like, do 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 do. I don't know. Like the sound, it felt like it was going back and forth. You know, do 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 do. I just felt like, I don't know how you describe it, but in certain parts, not the whole instrumental section, not that whole guitar solo, but there'd be like little segments where he would just be doing, I don't know, it was maybe the same couple notes back where he did something. He did something. It felt like he was bouncing me around or something. That was a good solo.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. You to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.